In today's video, I will walk you through how to do backtesting in Metatrader 5. To begin, open the Strategy Tester. From the top menu, click View, then select Strategy Tester. You can also press Ctrl and R on your keyboard to open it quickly. Once the Strategy Tester appears at the bottom of the platform, you'll use that panel to configure your backtest. Next, choose what you want to test. Select the expert advisor you want to run, then choose the market symbol and the time frame you want to use, such as M1, H1, or D1. Keep in mind that automatic backtesting in Metatrader 5 requires an expert advisor, since the platform does not simulate manual click-to-trade strategies by default. Now it's time to configure the test settings. Select the date range you want Metatrader 5 to use for the simulation. After that, choose the modeling method. Every tick provides the highest level of precision because it simulates price movement tick by tick, although it takes the longest to complete. 1 minute OHLC runs faster and approximates price movement within each minute. Open prices only is the fastest option and is intended for strategies that only make decisions at the opening of each bar. If you want to watch the trades appear directly on a chart, enable visual mode before starting the test. This allows you to see the simulation as it runs, although it will take longer than running the test without visualization. Once all of your settings are configured, click Start. Metatrader 5 will load the historical data for your selected symbol and time frame, and begin running the simulation based on your expert advisor and the options you selected. If visual mode is enabled, you'll see the chart update as trades are opened and closed. If it isn't enabled, you can simply monitor the progress in the tester window. Higher precision modeling methods will naturally require more time to complete. After the backtest finishes, review the available tabs. The Results tab displays every trade, including entry and exit times, prices, and profit or loss. The Graph tab shows the balance and equity curves throughout the test. The Report tab summarizes important performance statistics such as net profit, profit factor, and maximum drawdown. Finally, the Journal tab displays messages that can help identify issues if needed. That is the complete process for running a backtest in Metatrader 5. Compare different modeling methods, confirm that your selected date range contains historical data for your chosen symbol, and use visual mode whenever you want to follow the simulation more closely. Thank you for watching.